Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. The eye makeup tutorial today was inspired by an image I found on Pinterest that is absolutely gorgeous. This eyeshadow combination using the cut crease technique is truly stunning and captivating. I've also shown you how to do this makeup step by step, so if you'd like to recreate this look, be sure to keep watching the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using this specific eyeshadow color on the crease of my eyelid. With a fluffy brush, I'm gradually building up the eyeshadow, adding more and blending it back and forth until I'm happy with the intensity. Then I'm really blending out the eyeshadow well, making sure there are no harsh lines. I'm also taking the leftover eyeshadow on my brush and applying it to the inner part of my eyelid. Next, I'm using the deep blue eyeshadow from this palette. I'm applying that dark blue shade right at the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm blending it really well, sweeping the color all the way across my eyelids until it reaches the middle. I'm making sure to blend it seamlessly so there are no harsh lines visible. For this eye makeup look, you can use any eyeshadow palette you like. I've listed the exact products I used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. Also, if you're a beginner, you can follow along with me step by step to do this sparkly eye makeup look. I'm sure you will love the results. Next, take your favorite concealer using a small brush. Start applying it at the beginning of your eyelid and follow the natural crease of your lid, continuing the concealer application all the way to the middle of your eyelid. If you apply the eyeshadow to your lid from the start, leaving the beginning of your eyelid bare, it will be easier to do the cut crease technique. Even if the cut crease doesn't look great the first time, don't worry, with more practice you will get better at it. The cut crease takes some getting used to, so just keep trying and you will get the hang of it. Next, I'm going to use the lighter eyeshadow shade from this palette. I'm applying that in the cut crease area to make the concealer color look even brighter there. This step is optional. You can also just use a slightly lighter concealer if you prefer, instead of adding the lighter eyeshadow. We've now reached the part I'm most excited about, the glitter. For this eye makeup look, I decided to use the powder glitter. This glitter looks absolutely stunning and super sparkly on the eyelid. You can use the glitter eyeshadow shade if you prefer, but what I'm doing is taking some of the loose glitter and applying it directly to the center of my eyelid using my fingertip. Then I'm going to use an eyeliner brush to lightly apply some of the glitter right along the edge of the cut crease. Focus just above that defined crease line. Applying the glitter with an eyeliner brush can be a bit tricky, so you can also use a liquid glitter eyeliner instead if that's easier for you. I'm also going to complete the eye makeup look by drawing a winged eyeliner. I typically extend the eyeliner all the way to the middle of my eyelid as I find that shape suits my eyes best. However, you can adjust the eyeliner wing based on your own personal preference. Don't forget to also apply the eyeshadow along the lower lash line. I like to use the smaller brush to diffuse the eyeshadow all the way across my entire lower lash line and into the inner corner of my eye. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. This eye makeup look is so shimmery and beautiful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and like the video and feel free to leave your comments down below. You are also welcome to share this video with any friends who might be interested. Additionally, if you are interested in more makeup and beauty content, I post new makeup tutorial videos every week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye. All I wanna hear